Good morning and good evening, everyone. This is the second session for Salesforce Basic Administration. This is a path to your Salesforce journey because you came from different backgrounds. So you might be working in different technologies, or you are a fresher, you are working in different fields. My sessions are useful for you to make path to your journey with Swapna. So these are very important sessions because basic sessions are very important. Without understanding basics, without having proper planning, we cannot achieve our goal. All of our goal is to get job, not to learn Salesforce. If you want to get job, you have to learn Salesforce. So now what is your plan to get job in Salesforce? What is your plan? Do you have any plan to get job in Salesforce? No one.
Preparation.
Okay, preparation. Then
To follow the blueprint which you made.
okay,
I think hard work also.
okay,
Get certificate.
okay. Next,
Become thorough and fundamental, sir.
Dedication.
Basic knowledge.
okay. Fundamental
Communication skills.
communication.
Practice.
To
Practice,
improve ourselves.
improve yourself. Okay,
Focus on work.
focus. Okay,
Dedication.
okay.
Patience.
Upgrade skill.
Someone said something, I missed it.
Patience. I said patience.
Patience. What else?
Patience. That like
Once you start speaking, please keep mute. What else?
Pra-
Sorry, trial head.
practice.
Okay, practice. Someone said, okay, practice is there. Yeah, next. Next, what else?
Follow the guidelines by you.
Okay. Next. Any other things?
Never stop learning.
Okay. Okay. Any other things?
motivate.
Motivation.
Doing practice on a trailhead.
Trial head. Okay.
Research more.
Hmm?
Research more.
Research more. Okay. Any other things?
Number of revision.
Redesign.
Upgrade your interview skills.
Hmm?
Upgrade your interview skills.
Interview skills. Okay. Any other things?
A lot of job opportunities in Salesforce.
Okay, those are there. Job opportunities. So you need to grab job opportunities. Okay. Any
And some practice.
practice? It came here.
We need to work on our own examples, sir.
Workflow.
Work on own examples.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, in my point of view, this is all in your point of view. In my point of view, time is important for me.
Your
You
screen
have
is
to.
not visible, Madhu.
Sorry.
Your screen is not visible.
Oh, I am writing everything here. Oh, sorry. So now, can you see my screen?
No.
I don't.
Yes. Yes.
Screen is visible, sir.
It is visible.
Visible
It's
only.
visible.
I don't.
It's visible.
For whom it is not.
Clear screen.
I can see. Means it is. I have shared. Everybody can see whatever I am writing, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Madhu.
Yes.
If you can't see, then you just log out and log in one more time.
Sure, sure. I'll do that.
So for me, giving time is important in my point of view. If you don't give time, we cannot do anything.
Yes, sir.
If you don't attend live sessions, it is the biggest mistake you are doing. Because here I am talking, I am asking you a question, then your alertness is there. If you miss live session, if you attend recorded session, will you be alert when listening recorded session?
No, sir.
We might be having alertness and focus, but not like in live sessions. Because whenever we are there live, whenever we are getting question, whenever we feel somebody is there in live and they are talking, our brain is open. It is open for question. It is open for learning. It is open to ask questions. It is open for doubts. Who can listen recorded session? In case if it is emergency, if you miss the session, you can listen. It might be 1 or 2 times in a month. Not more than that. So you plan for next 4 to 6 months. You postpone all your plans. Please try to spend time on Salesforce. 100% you will get job. That is about time. Next one is your dedication and commitment. Whatever you do, wherever you are, you have to think about Salesforce. If you take our session, few people have attended my previous batch recorded session, they have gone through. And the sessions which we are teaching now for this batch is different when compared to previous batch. Some people are there who have gone through my recorded sessions. Why this difference is coming? Because I am, me and Swapna, always thinking how to simplify the subject, how to make this subject easy for the students. We are thinking 24/7, even I am sleeping in my mind, how to make the student to get into job, how to simplify the subject. In what ways we can make them to get into subject. So every batch, the content might be similar, but the way we teach, it changes. When it is possible is whenever we have dedication and commitment towards students, and you need to have commitment and dedication towards Salesforce. It is not simple like you pay money to the institution, you attend live sessions, you just you are casually attending sessions. It will not help out. You have to seriously think about it. It is not like movie dialogue. Life is small, enjoy. We are not in that entertainment zone, or we are not in film industry. Those quotations are just to entertain in the industry only, not for us. If we are like that, we don't meet here in Zoom meeting. So we are the people, we need Salesforce job. So we have to think about it seriously with complete dedication and commitment. Whatever you see in mobile, you have to see only Salesforce. Whatever you think, you have to think about Salesforce. You might have hundreds of problems. Your focus and concentration should be like what we call it. I don't know. I am not getting that word. Crone. Not crone. I am not getting suddenly. Your focus should be like Telugu people are there. Swan. Swan, you know, right? Swan.
Yes, sir. sir.
What is why Swan is famous?
It's separate milk and water.
Swan, separate milk and water.
I think
Swan.
swarm means it's leaving the sea.
I am typing this one. This one, what we call this?
Crane.
Konga.
Yes.
What is this? Crane.
Crane.
Not that crane.
Bird.
So,
Cheetah.
this one. I don't know exactly. That is correct. This one, white color one. It is very famous. Suddenly, how I forgot that name. Swan.
The seagull.
Swan means Hamsa.
No,
Seagull, sir.
not eagle.
Seagull.
Huh?
Tallest bird. Tallest bird.
Yeah, the Konga Telugu word.
Ostrich.
In English.
Tallest bird.
The
Huh?
sun means
No.
seagull.
No.
I think crack.
Huh?
Crack.
I don't know.
Ostrich.
No, not ostrich. I don't know suddenly why I am not getting that word. It is there in our institution board. Can somebody see offline people?
It is
Arrow.
EGRET. EGRET.
Hmm?
EGRET. RET.
You got? Yeah, this one. I don't know. Suddenly how I forgot this name. What it will do is it has lot of focus and concentration. Whenever it is searching for fish, whenever it is, someone said, whenever it is searching for fish, so many small fishes come around EGOT, but it won't touch that. Only it will big fish, which is completely fills its stomach. Until that it will wait on single leg. It won't touch small fishes.
Okay, Nicole Vonticalu Japan.
Yeah. As it focus on the point. The small fishes are your problems. The small fishes are your problems. Problem can be anything. When we are a human, everything is a problem. Our spouse is a problem. Our children is a problem. How it is a problem? We cannot fulfill their desires. 100% we cannot fulfill anybody's desire in this world. Even you are attending my sessions, 100% I might not be fulfill your desires. Your aspirations I cannot, because we are human and our family. Our knowledge levels, our financial issues, so many things are there. These problems are small fishes. The big fish is Salesforce. You have to take these small problems light. You should not worry about these problems. How much ever time you have to give, you have to give. But whatever you are doing, wherever you are, you have to focus on big fish Salesforce. Because it is the simple solution to settle down in life. Other than Salesforce, there are different technologies. .NET, Java, data science, Python, full stack, all full stacks. These 4 technologies have jobs, and Salesforce has also jobs. These 5 technologies are evergreen in IT market. These 5, this is Rajni has sent. I don't know you can see it or not. This is there in our institution. This is the, in our reception, this photo is there. So here you have to concentrate on big fish. So Salesforce is very easy to learn. Yesterday we have counted 21 index Out of this 21, only one is confusing. Sharing and security. Other than this, everything is very simple. Very, very simple and easy. And coding part is very simple and easy. If you can't crack job in Salesforce, it is difficult to crack other jobs in IT industry. And one more thing, moreover, Swapna made it very easy. She explains in a very spoon feeding type, she will explain. And the content, she will not miss anything. So it will be step by step. So you have to concentrate on big fish. And one more thing is you have to leave your comfort zones. This last point. I am happy here. I am okay now. If I sit at home, then only I feel comfortable. If I sit at this place, then only I am comfortable. If I am at home, my mom and dad will give everything. My mom will cook for me. I need very good food. I need all facilities. You have to leave this comfort zone. This is about focus and concentration. This first one is about hard work. How cows get water? It collects all small stones and keep in the pot. The water is at the down. Now Salesforce is at down. You have to keep stones one by one, step by step, with patience and hard work, with concentration like swan. You got somebody said. And by leaving comfort zone. And you should be very alert. If you take any dog, even when it is sleeping, small pin drop. If a small pin fell down on the floor, it will immediately open eyes and it will look. Dog will not completely sleep. It goes with light sleep. It has more alertness. You should be very alert while in the session or recorded session you are practicing Salesforce. You must have more alertness. And to have all these things, you have to eat light food. And whatever you are eating light food, this figure, it takes time to explain. There are so many things behind it. Whenever you are eating, that means if you eat with mouth, don't think that only you are eating. Whatever you listen, that is going inside your brain. Whatever you breathe, going inside. Whatever you talk, going inside. Whatever you eat, going inside. Whatever you see, going inside. Whatever you touch, it is going inside our brain. Don't think just mouth we are eating with hand. Not only that. All these 5 indriyas, what we call, I don't know. All these are very important. So if you listen Salesforce videos, if you see Salesforce videos, if you touch keyboard to practice Salesforce, if you speak about Salesforce, that means you are breathing Salesforce.
Sensor organs.
Sorry?
Sensor organs.
Yeah, senses. 5 senses.
Sensor
You-
organs.
Your 5 senses, 5 organs, main senses organs should work on Salesforce. Then automatically you will get job. Because I think always about how to make my students to get into job. That's why we come up with different ideas. Rajni is there. She He is our student coordinator. So we always think how to make students to get into job. That's why for offline students, we take mobiles when they come to institution. Mobile is the biggest distraction in our life. So keep away from mobile. There are so many short videos coming up. If you open Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp status. Even if you see 24 hours, if you have another 24 hours in a day, those videos will not be finished. Because millions of people are doing short videos for their views. Even they are not getting, some people not getting anything. Just for time pass they are doing. So please keep away your mobile phones. Then you can five qualities you can execute. You have to execute on Salesforce. This is the message I want to give for each and everyone, those who want to settle well in IT industry. And Salesforce has the highest salaries in the market. And highest jobs in IT market. From last 5 consecutive years, Salesforce technology has given highest jobs in IT market. And now market is down. Yesterday even I have said market is picking up. From May 23rd, we are getting calls. And here one more problem I want to tell is, whenever there are so many number of jobs, when there is more demand and many people learn Salesforce. But all of them will not get job. Those who learn properly, because I have seen some thousands of trainers taught Salesforce to lakhs of students. But the difference is how they deliver and how students learn. If we deliver properly, then you can learn properly. Learning means attending live sessions, practicing, preparing for interviews, everything. So we deliver properly. From our side, we don't compromise. Already few students they are coming to institute in the offline and they know about us few people. Most of you, if you have seen Swapna videos, you might got reference from your friends. So we don't compromise in delivering the content. We don't compromise at any cost. So when so many people learn Salesforce and they are trying for jobs and they are not getting job because they can't clear interviews. They ask real-time scenarios and they have learned, they didn't learn. They asked real-time scenarios which you have worked and they have given scenario-based questions. And they cannot solve. And what they will tell? They will not tell their problem. They tell there are no jobs for Salesforce. I have learned Salesforce, I am not getting job. Lakhs of people learn Salesforce. They didn't learn properly and they doing mouth publicity. Salesforce is not good. I have learned, I am not getting job. Problem is not you. Problem might be from institution side. They have not given proper guidance to you. Proper guidance is required for you. Proper content should be delivered. Proper plan should be given to you. Then you will learn properly. So we give proper plan to you. So now what happened from November 22? Entire IT market is down, not only Salesforce. Entire IT market. There are different reasons. In recession in European countries and mainly in USA, federal government has increased loans. Because of that, banks are not giving loans at higher interest rates to organizations. Those who want to do projects, they cannot do. And one more thing is, many projects which were taken up during COVID time, they have got completed with development. All those projects are moved to maintenance or production stage or support. So commonly that time, so many jobs were there. Suddenly there is market got down, because when there are no jobs, no projects, automatically people will feel there are no jobs in Salesforce. Not only Salesforce, in other technologies are also same problem. So from last May 23, we are seeing positive change in the market. I have shown yesterday how we are getting messages in LinkedIn. That is the proof. So now there won't be any problem, because we expected usually by November 2023 it will be picked up. But the positive change started in May only. That means by November there will be very good number of jobs. You should be ready for that. When there is a crisis, intelligent person will improve skills during that time. Lazy person will tell there are no jobs, I will sit at home and enjoy. There is a reason. This is a psychological factor. Usually when it is a difficult thing, we will find to say reasons. When something is difficult to do, we try to find reasons to avoid that. But intelligent person won't do that. When there is a crisis, they will learn. Immediately when market is open, they will immediately grab that opportunity. If you have dedication and commitment, if you give time, when that opportunity comes, automatically you will be selected. So you have to be in that phase. For this, what we did is, we are going to deliver almost 200 hours we will deliver. 200 hours live sessions we will deliver. And you have to attend your live session. Attendance is very important. You make this practice, like if you are not attending sessions because of some reason, you just email or send WhatsApp. That is a good practice to do. You can take approval from us, from Rajani or me or Swapna. 3 of us will be available for you people. So we might say, okay, no problem. You do that kind of practice. And while explaining live sessions, you have to take notes. You have to keep a notebook beside you and take notes. Then you have to complete homework homework you have to complete. Whatever homework Swapna is giving, while doing homework, you have to go through recorded sessions. At least one time you have to go through recorded session after the live session. It will become revision for you. Going through recorded session, you can revise. Usually for revision, what we are doing is, for offline people, we have exam. Whatever Swapna has explained, whatever I am explained, they write exam for 30 minutes. So that they will revise the session. Then you have to attempt the quiz. You have to attempt the quiz. Once completed the quiz, that means your entire session is done for the day. Then we will send trial head links. You have to do that. To do this, all this practice, if you are not working, you have to spend at least 4 to 6 hours at home. 2 hours live sessions plus this 4 to 6 hours. Then it is easy for you. So this is what our plan. You have to plan, follow this plan. And we will arrange mock interviews for you. For online people, you are at different timings. Group discussion might not be possible for you. But for offline people, there is group discussion. Till these 9 points, you will have online people. You can do all these things by yourself. You can schedule yourself and you can do it. So this is the schedule for offline people. Usually for morning 8 to 10 a.m. people, this is the schedule. But for online, for this batch, I am going to do schedule for tonight and I will send you tomorrow. So that is one thing I want to give clarification. Any questions?
No, sir.
You understood, right? What you have to do.
Yes, sir.
Madhu, whatever the shared the schedule is only for offline, right? So for online, the session timings will be 7 to 9, right? That's my understanding.
7:30.
7:30 to 9:30.
Because you people might be working.
Correct.
The people, those who are working, they cannot follow the schedule. Though we have divided people into different categories. Offline people and online people, 2 categories. Offline people, those are not working. They are completely free. And online people, those who are working in IT, those are different category. Those who are working in non-IT, they are different category. And those who are not working, they are different categories. The schedule is for the people, those who are not working. And working people, same content will come. And you have to plan your time according to your free time, weekends. You have to plan by yourself. because even we cannot call you at any time, right? Yeah, you have to send answers on daily basis for the questions.
Madhu sir,
Yeah.
yeah, mock interviews for online people, how would that be conducted?
No, I didn't get Nirali.
Mock interviews for online students,
Yeah,
how would that get, like, how would that be
we,
conducted?
we will call you.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions? If you don't have any questions, we will start with session today. Session 2. This is the technical subject. Okay. So now my question is, when you talk about IT industry, that means you are working for a software application. You might be designing or developing a software application, right? Right or not?
Yes.
So here, whenever you want to develop software application, what is required here? You want to develop for a software application. To whom you will develop? To whom we develop
Client.
software application? Client, right?
Yes, sir.
Client. And who are developing software application?
Employees.
Company. IT company.
Developers.
Developers are doing, they are working in IT company.
IT industry.
Developers. And who are using this software application? Who are using?
End user.
End user, customers.
Everyone is using.
End users or customers. So here, if these three people are not there, any one of them is not there, is it possible to imagine a software application?
No.
It is not possible, right? Who is the client? Who is client?
Who want to develop their own software, right? For the own criteria.
Company.
Which company?
Business owner.
Business owner is the client. So what are the examples for client?
Amazon. Flipkart.
Salesforce. Amazon.
Salesforce,
PhonePe, GPay.
Banking sector. Indeed.
Here in India.
All the brands.
Twitter.
might be banks, all banks, right? All hospitals, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Every area.
So almost those who are running business, whoever is running business and generating some revenue, and they are getting profits. So
it might be production or a service based.
sorry.
It might be production industry or
Yeah,
service based.
it can be anything. It can be anything. Bank is service or what? Hospital is service or what?
Bank and hospitals both are service industry.
Both are?
Service industry.
Okay. Now, hotel. Hotel and restaurant.
Yeah.
It is service or product?
Service.
It is also a service industry, sir. Service.
Food is service or product?
Product.
Product.
Services.
And who is delivering food?
Delivery boss.
Swiggy, Zomato.
Swiggy, Zomato.
Those are services, right?
Service based. Yes.
Those are service based. So here we need to have clear understanding of this. Who could be the client? What client does? Client is a business owner. He has complete business knowledge, right? What can be done for now? We are running an institution. If I don't have knowledge on institution business, can I run institution?
No.
I need to know, right?
No.
How to do marketing, how students comes, how to provide all this material, how to provide services for you. Everything I need to know. So I have complete knowledge on business. I need to know how to place you, where to place you, which technologies, what content I should be delivering to you. So client must have complete business knowledge. So when he has business knowledge, he realizes about software for the business, right? Software for business. Some business might not require a software. For example, if somebody is selling tea, he requires software or not?
No.
No and yes. Both. Now if you see, some applications are there. They are selling tea through the application. Did you see any time people, those who are selling tea through the applications?
No, sir.
In hotels.
No.
In hotels.
If you order tea,
Food delivery.
Yes. Delivery boys.
In hotels.
now if you want to order tea, can you order from software application Swiggy and Zomato or not?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
No. Even if you want to sell tea, if you use the software, then your speed will increase. You can do service to more number of people. What is the use of this software? You can save the time. You can save money. You can increase business. So if you want to develop software, they have to contact software companies or IT developers. So what knowledge is required for IT developers?
Software.
They need complete business knowledge, functional knowledge. This is the first step. Now you want to work for a hospital application. You got call from a IT company. They have hospital application they are developing for Apollo, let us assume. When they call you, what they will ask? Do you have knowledge on healthcare domain? They ask this question or not?
Yes.
They might ask, they might not ask, but they will tell if you have knowledge on healthcare domain, it is easy for you to crack that interview. There are chances that they will select you because you already know business functional things, what is happening in the hospital application. There are chances that you can crack interview, right? Whatever business or whatever functional things, whatever they ask, you will be able to answer. It is true or not? And next, technical skills. You need to have Salesforce skills, right? What skills you need? Admin, development. Here, Visualforce, Apex, SOQL,
SOSL, LWC,
Lightning Aura, LWC,
LWC,
JavaScript, HTML,
CSS.
CSS, JavaScript.
JavaScript. You come to integration, XML, JSON. Please keep mute from your side.
SQL.
REST.
Postman.
So Postman, like that, so many tools are there. Many tools are there. Jira, Postman, CI/CD. These are the deployment concepts. Workbench, Confluence. Like this, there are so many tools. You need to have knowledge on all these things. But these XML, JSON, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, these are like byproducts. You don't need complete knowledge on these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you need to have.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
These things is included to Salesforce course, right, sir?
Yeah, included.
Thanks.
Mohan, from your side, lot of noise coming. Yeah. So whatever required, Swapna will teach everything that is covered in the course. So now, as a end user or as a customer, how much knowledge is required for customer? If you want to order food in Zomato or Swiggy, how much knowledge you require?
How to use mobile or application?
Yeah, just you need to know how to browse application and internet. If you know, that is enough. You don't need to learn Zomato or Swiggy. They might have developed application using Salesforce. You don't need to have this business functional knowledge, and you don't need to have the Salesforce skills. You can just go to Play Store, download Swiggy app, and you can order food. Or else if you want to book appointment in Apollo, you can just open their website and book appointment. You can open this website, you can give your name and you can give your mobile number, you will get OTP. If you click on book appointment, they will call you back. For this, you don't need Apollo, they might be using Salesforce technology, but as a end user, you don't need that knowledge. But if end user is not there, can a client run business? If patients are not there, hospitals will close, right? There won't be any hospital if patients are not there. If IT industry is not there, if IT people are not there, how they will develop applications? If people doesn't know Salesforce or any other technology in this world, if there is no technology, how people will develop application? Even client knows very good understanding of business. In previous days, if they manufacture any product, any new product or something, where they used to go? How vegetable sellers, how farmers used to sell? They used to go by walk to the streets nearest to villages or somewhere, and they used to sell on streets. Now how they are selling vegetables?
Online.
Online we are getting because of technology. If no customer is there to order online, these people will sell. These people will use software applications. They don't use these applications, right? So here the important factors are, the main pillars of IT industry are three: end users or customers. What they do as a end user, what they do here in the application?
Use the application.
They enter input.
They use the application.
They use the application and they enter input, right? They enter input here. They click on something. You are a end user for Naukri or not? If you go to Naukri.com, you are a end user. You are a customer. You are an end user, and you will be using this application. You use this application and you will search for your Salesforce jobs, right? Salesforce you type. What you are doing here as an end user? You are entering input, right? Is it right or not?
Yes.
You enter input here, right? If you enter input, it is giving results. So when you are in IT company as a developer, what you will do? You have to develop that application. That application will have three main things. One is front end,
Business logic backend.
business logic, and back end. This front end is a user interface, right? Where end user enters input, right? If he is a patient, what he will do? He will book appointments from the front end. So the technologies which are used in front end are Visualforce, Lightning Aura, Lightning Web Components. These are the front end technologies in Salesforce. Getting? Visualforce, Lightning Aura, Lightning Web Components. These three are the front end technologies in Salesforce. These three technologies are used to build user interface where users enter input. This is the front end. Whatever we are seeing, this is the front end. In the back end, there will be a database, right? There will be database in the backend, right? Where you store data? Where do you store data?
Database.
In the database, right? That database
Yes.
is database.com in Salesforce. Database.com. What are the other databases? SQL Server is database, right? Oracle is under one database management system. NoSQL, one database management system. Like this, Salesforce has its own database called database.com.
Tab.
Sorry? Somebody is telling something. So now, here, how this data came when you searched for this data? How this data came here? How this data came here? Technical consulting manager, technical support manager, technical support engineer, business development executive. How this data came here? So Salesforce architect. How this data?
I think they will stored.
They have stored the data in the database. Here you have a front end, and in the back end, employers went there and they have stored their data. They have posted jobs there. They have stored the data in the database. Whenever we went there and searched for jobs, you went here. Went here and typed Salesforce. You are giving input here, and here you are clicking on search button. Behind this search button, there is a business logic. That business logic, how it has written is, whatever input we have entered Salesforce, search for that Salesforce keyword in the database. Search for that keyword in the database. And in the front end, we are writing a code to display the data. Whenever you are clicking on searching, it is doing some processing, right? Now it is processing. That means business logic is executed and is displayed data in the front end. See how many jobs are available? 7,463. We are only 50 people, 60 people. We need only one job. Based on your experience, if there are 100 jobs are available, those are enough for us to crack the interview. So here business logic in Salesforce is Apex. SOQL and SOSL are like SQL. These are querying language. Those are used along with Apex. This query language is along with Apex. So Apex and SOQL and SOSL are called business logic in Salesforce. 3 points, the 3 pillars: end user, client, and IT company. Next, technologies: front end, back end, business logic. And the programming: Visualforce, Lightning Aura components, Lightning Web components, Apex, SOQL, SOSL, database.com. These are the important points for our today's session. This terminology you have to remember. Yesterday, I have given quiz to you, right? So how you have to write is, you have to, if you go here, Swapna has explained
Regarding lightning and LWC, madam.
Swapna has explained this. I asked to write a scenario for each and every topic. For the 21 topics, I said to explain the scenario. So that is explained in the session clearly. Whenever she explained for user, she explained what is the scenario for user, what are users when it comes into picture, what is profile when it comes to picture. So what are relationship when we use those relationship, when we use web to lead, when we use list views, when we use formula fields, everything she has explained. You have to write that scenario. You have to understand her session, again go through recorded session and answer this. That's it. And today also I am giving some questions to you. These questions are, I have explained this. And after explaining, I am giving what are three main pillars of software industry. Who is end user or customer? Who is client? What IT company does? Who works in IT company? What are important technologies used for IT application? What is front-end technology? Give examples. Till this point, I have explained. So I am sending you this as assignment. Whatever questions I have covered, you answer those questions. So tomorrow I will explain remaining things. These questions I have not covered. I am sending the document to you. Whoever not sent email or number to me, you can send me in chat. I will send to you with this recorded session.